In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause notifications in Slack, Do Not Disturb. Manual pause, desktop. If you've ever needed a stretch of uninterrupted time for deep work, a meeting, or just a quick break, pausing notifications is the simplest way to keep Slack quiet without missing messages entirely. You'll still receive everything, it just won't ping you until you're ready. Start by opening Slack on your desktop or in your browser. Look to the sidebar and find your profile picture. This is your avatar. Clicking your profile picture opens a small menu with options related to your account and status. This is where Slack keeps the controls for pausing notifications, so you don't have to dig through settings. Next, hover your cursor over the option labeled Pause Notifications. Don't click yet, just hover. A submenu will appear showing a set of preset durations. These presets are designed for common focus windows, like 30 minutes or 2 hours, and they're a great way to quickly snooze alerts when you need to buckle down. Choosing a preset means Slack will silence notifications immediately and automatically resume them when the time is up, so you don't have to remember to switch things back on. If none of the presets match what you need, select Custom. This lets you set a specific end time that fits your schedule. For example, if you're stepping away until the end of the workday, you can set Do Not Disturb to lift exactly when you plan to return. Pick the end time carefully so you don't miss anything important later. Slack will hold notifications until that point and then deliver them as usual. Once Do Not Disturb is active, you'll notice a small indicator confirming that notifications are paused. Your teammates may also see that your notifications are snoozed, helping set expectations around your availability. While you won't hear sounds or see pop-up alerts during this period, all messages, mentions, and channel activity are still collected and ready for you when you're back. To recap the flow, you'll use anytime you need quiet. Click your profile picture in the sidebar, hover over Pause Notifications, then pick a preset duration or choose Custom to set a specific end time. It's quick, reliable, and puts you in control of your focus time. That's all you need to manually pause notifications in Slack on desktop. Use this whenever you want to reduce distractions and stay on task, knowing Slack will resume alerts automatically when your selected time ends.